Welcome to Date Code Genie 101 with your host, McGernerson. Alrighty, so Date Code Genie. It is a tablet that is attached to a printer that will actually print out barcodes for us. I'm going to try to keep focus on this. We'll see how it goes. So anyways, the basic of the item is you got a basic tablet here, and it sits on top of a printer, which I'll show you the printer. Hang on. So as you can see, it just pops up. Labels get loaded in there. There are 3 models, so it just depends on your site on which model we think will work best for your locations. And actually you don't have to have all the same models across your location. If, for example, this system here works best at your entree station, but a system such as this one where the printer is separate and this guy hangs on the wall at your grill, then we can go with that as well. So we can have a mix, just depends on your exact site, and we can talk about that when I'm not on a pre-recorded video. So system, what the basics of it does is that you can hit a button and it is going to stick out a barcode for guests to scan, or even for your cashiers to scan when you are not in self-checkout mode. So they can either be, why is this not focusing? There we go. So they can either be used as like kind of a ticket itself, or they are peelable. They're little stickers there, so you could, stick it to what have you. So I wouldn't suggest sticking it to your Date Code Genie, but yeah. So that's kind of the basics of the whole idea, is that it's taking items that would have to be buttons for self-checkout and turning them into beautiful barcodes. Yay, mask. Everybody loves mask. Choose your location up here in the top right-hand corner. So PBTC, Raytheon, as you can see, that is theirs. You will have one that's listed down here. You will not have a password on yours. Mine has a password just because, I don't know, the company who sent it to us said I had to have a password. So, but I'm setting all yours up so you don't have to have passwords. There are categories across the top. We currently have the grill, the deli, LTO, your entree rotation, grab and go, and miscellaneous with the cool little guy with the cool little mustache. Say hi, Chef Boyardee. All right. If you only have 3 weeks rotation, cool, then we would make it so only 3 weeks show. If you have 6 weeks of rotation on your entree menu, no problem. We would have it so you have 6 weeks there. That is all customizable. If we are missing a station, so if you have an action station, we can create a category that is action as well. The LTO, that is a set screen. So that screen will show up on everybody's. There are 10 price points. So basically anything that you are going to sell as an LTO needs to fit somewhere within these 10 price points. All 10 of these price points will ring up at the discounted price. So into how it kind of works. So let's say you're working the grill. Somebody comes up and says, hi, I'd like a cheeseburger and French fries, please. So either before you make it, while it's cooking, or after it's cooking, whatever works best for you and your location, you would hit the little print icon there beside cheeseburger. Cool. There's our cheeseburger barcode. And then French fries, they are in alphabetical order. You hit the little French fry guy there, and it's going to spit out. So one of two things. Either one, you could stick this to the actual container, or you can hand these to the guests kind of as like tickets. Type of idea. So they would scan their 2 little tickets there. So I know you're probably sitting there saying, but Craig, we don't sell a chicken quesadilla at Pawnee, Indiana's hospital. Cool, not a problem. We can make it so your location would not show the items on the grill screen that you do not sell. So for example, like we don't sell a chicken basket at Raytheon. However, it's currently on here just because it is. So we'll be able to kind of make this your grill screen. If you have a deli, cool, we'll have a deli screen. Once again, your LTO. Right now I got nothing in grab and go. Miscellaneous, this is where we can kind of say, oh, gee, we sell a reusable coffee mug. That's $7.99, and I need to be able to put a barcode on that. Cool. we'll get that UPC, put it on there, and so that will be on there. So it just depends on your exact location. So the entree menu. Big key with entree is needs to be a rotating menu, and then we break it up by the week, and then we even break it up by the day. So you'll see here that each item has 3 digits out in front of it. So 1.11, 1.11, 1.12, etc. That means first number is the week. So 1 point means week 1. The next number, the first number after the decimal point, is the day. So the day of the week. So at Raytheon, they serve the entree station there 5 days a week. So week 1, day 1 would be Monday for them. And then the second digit after the decimal point is either a 1 or a 2. That's going to decide whether it is a entree or is it a side. So as you can see, if you see the whole screen here, on Monday we will be serving baked ziti, roast chicken, green beans, and red skin potatoes. So 1.11 is entree, 1.11 is entree, 1.12 is a side, 1.12 is a side. So then you go into Tuesday, we got 1.21, so that means week 1, day 2, entree, which means 1. So we got 3 entrees, you can see there, and then we have our sides that go as 1.22. So you jump over to like 3.42, that means week 3, day 4, and it is a side. So what that allows us to do is it groups an entire day. So Monday we serve these 4 things. On Tuesday we serve these 5 things. It groups an entire day on the screen versus going, oh, okay, they got black beans. Oh, okay, well, crap, where's black beans? Oh, there's black beans. Oh, gosh, taco. Oh, I don't know where a taco is. Oh, gosh, is that taco? I don't know. So it just kind of helps us organize all of that. So in the template builder that I will be going over in not a recorded video, but live with you, you will be able to see where you need to program that 1.11, 1.12, etc. throughout there. So that's kind of the quick down and dirty. You are able, so let's say you're running an LTO on your action station and it's going to be 429, you are able to hit it and say, hey, you know, I'm planning on selling 20 of these, cool, print me 20 of them, and it will shoot out 20 of them for you. So then you could just take that to that station instead of having to hit the button each and every time. So that's the end of the recorded version. Thank you for hanging out with Date Code Genie 101 with McGernerson.